Hello everyone, I'm Lubna Farhat. Today I will discuss my presentation about AI assisted user manual creation. This is the topics in my presentation. Let's start with the first slide. This presentation explains a study that looks at how AI, especially ChatGPT, helps in writing user manual for appliances. The study was done in university class where students test how well AI can follow technical rules and how much a human correction is needed. The research focuses on real tasks done by students and real problems they faced when using AI. The study explores whether AI can write user manuals that are safe, clear, and useful. User manuals must follow strict rules, and the study wanted to see if AI understands these rules. The researchers watched how students interact with AI and which part of AI struggled with, such as reading image, writing warnings, and keeping a consistent structure. The study also shows how students react to the mistake that the AI made. The project was created for graduate students. They were asked to write a short essay related to their field of study. The main task was to identify any content, then revise and improve the text to meet the proper technical writing standards. Students followed the same step professional technical writers use. First, they asked ChatGPT to create the manual section. Then they checked if the AI followed the safety standard, used correct warning labels, and gave the right steps. Many students found missing details, wrong terms, incorrect formatting, and no device-specific information. They had to rewrite and recognize the text to make it match the real standards. This helped them understand how much work goes into technical writing. Several weaknesses in AI performance. ChatGPT couldn't correctly interpret PDF image of the Blender. Some warnings were wrong, such as using danger when the risk was low. Instructions were sometimes too generic, not specific to the Blender in the picture. The AI added steps that did not exist in the real device. It sometimes copied the student prompts warning instead of giving original instruction. These issues show that the AI does not fully understand real object or safety requirements. Prompts is extremely important. The students who wrote long and detailed prompts get much better result. For example, when a student included the safety standard name, the AI followed it more closely, but when prompts were short, the AI wrote vague or incorrect instructions. The study also found that when students uploaded a picture or PDF, the AI often invented detailed because it couldn't read the image. This proves that promoting is not just typing, it's a skill that affects the entire quality of the manual. Prompts human were still necessary. Students had to recognize entire section, rewrite safety warning, fix formatting problems, and remove incorrect information added by the AI. The study pointed out the AI cannot ensure compliance, safety, accuracy, or correct warning categories. Students realized that human judgment is essential, especially in documents that can affect user safety. The human role become more about checking, evaluating, and cor- correcting the mistakes. Just using AI and humans together. AI is helpful because it quickly produces a fast draft, which saves time. But the draft is not perfect, so humans need to refine it. The researchers explain that AI is changing the job of technical writers. Instead of writing everything themselves, they now supervise AI, improve its output, and ensure that the manual meets all safety and quality requirements. That AI is a useful tool, but not a full solution. It helped with speed and structure, but it couldn't fully understand safety standards, image, or device-specific requirements. A human expert is still necessary for accuracy, clarity, and safety. The best manuals are created when AI generates the draft and humans apply technical knowledge to finalize it.